introduction of current issue is to meet the demand for affordable housing in rural Malaysia. This project aims to check if building low-cost home is possible. It's driven by the needs to tackle housing challenge in rural areas where finding good and affordable homes is a big problem. This effort is not just about making better living space, but it's also about helping rural communities develop and improve. For background of current issue is in rural Malaysia, people really need affordable and good homes, but it's hard to find them, unlike cities that keep growing. Rural areas don't have many options for affordable and nice houses. This project understands that it's not just about building houses, it's about creating strong and lasting communities. By focusing on a challenge of rural housing, the goal is to make life better for people in rural Malaysia.
There are 4 components in the SWOT analysis. The first one is the strength, affordable to ensure that the price is reasonable in the rural area, and government involvement to provide support for this project. The following weakness is infrastructure and the lack of skilled worker, which is an important barrier in the rural area. Next is an opportunity. We can bring more money and service to our community and use a modern tool to speed up our project. Finally, natural disaster and unexpected economic change might have a negative influence on our flow strategy.
Risk identification is a matter of identifying and documenting possible risks to a project. There were 10 component risks in the low-cost housing construction. The first one is a weather delay due to the heavy rain, material shortage, community resistance might having a positive or negative response to the project, regulatory change made by the government, land availability, infrastructure limitation, economy downturn due to the funding, construction accident due to the unexpected accident in a workplace, lack talented worker, difficult to recruit a good team member, and the budget overrun due to the improper planning.
Today, I'm providing a snapshot of our project risk register. From potential weather delay leading to project delay and increased costs, we're responding with contingency plan and vigilant weather monitoring. Material shortage could result in budget overrun and impact profit. To counter this, we are updating cost estimate regularly. Community resistance pose risk of project health and reputation damage. Our approach involves proactive community engagement and transparent communication. Government policy change could bring regulatory challenge and increased costs. Staying informed and building flexibility into our plan are key response. Land availability and infrastructure limitation may cause delay, but we engage legal aspect early and allocating contingency fund. Economic downturn is on our radar, prompting us to diversify offering and establish financial buffer. Construction accident are mitigation through strict safety protocol and comprehensive training. Lack of skilled labor is tackled by collaborating with vocational training program. Budget overrun are monitored and adjusted proactively. In summary, our risk register is our guide, ensuring with proactive address challenge and keep our project is on track.
Probability and impact analysis. This table shows the risk event and rate for probability and impact and how to calculate risk score. All justification have a reference. Probability is the chance of occurrence of the event or chances that this risk activity are going to happen. There could be very unlikely, unlikely, possible, likely and very likely. Impact is the thing that can lead to injury of an event in the project. Some project activities may higher impact on the project and also can make lower impact. So if any negative impact the project in much broader terms, then the risk score will be high. And also if the probability of the occurrence is higher, it will affect the risk score. So the impact range could be very low, moderate, high and very high. This table shows probability and impact metric. If the risk score at green color region, we can see that there is a weak threat by those activity to the project. And if they fall in orange color region, we can say that there could be some chances of the threat to the project and need to be aware. If our risk score in the red region color, the project activity has very high risk score and these activities consequently pose the higher threat to the project. For example, as we can see from the table at weather delay, the probability is 5 which is very likely and impact is 3 which is moderate. So the risk score at the red color. This is a critical issue that need to face for the risk event. For material shortage, the risk score at orange color. So need to be aware for the project. And for community resistance, the risk score is green color. So this table show all the risk score for the risk event and the region color.
The conclusion is balancing perspective is crucial in building a low-cost housing settlement in rural Malaysia, while strengths like affordability and government support are promising, addressing weaknesses such as infrastructure, challenge and regulatory hurdles, and preparing for economic fluctuation and vital for project success. The suggestion is prioritize community engagement for local alignment, establish strong collaboration with governmental bodies for regulatory ease, integrate resilience technologies to handle environmental risk effectively, implement continuous monitoring of economic factors, maintain flexibility in budget planning for adaptive response. This approach ensures a secure and successful implementation of a low-cost housing settlement in rural Malaysia by proactively addressing risks and adapting to changing circumstances.